So I'd like to share with you my predictions for the top 5 video content trends for 2021. And no, video conferencing calls is not going to make the list. I know it's become a way of life in 2020, but I feel that's the easy way out. No, what I'm going to do is share with some of the predictions that I had last year that I think are still relevant this year, as you can see over my shoulder, and also introduce some new ones. So let's get started. Now, my first prediction from last year was online video course creation, and of course that has taken a huge leap. Many people want to upskill, and also they also want to share their knowledge and perhaps get an extra stream of revenue coming through. Now, are you going to jump on board, or are you actually going to become a student, or maybe perhaps both? I know for me personally and my business, I'm looking to introduce a few new courses throughout the year, and also to partner with people that are keen to produce their own courses. So as far as an uptake, we saw a huge increase in DIY video content. Many of our clients got out their smartphones, maybe purchased a small microphone, perhaps they used a DSLR or a mirrorless camera and a tripod and a simple light. That's all you needed to get started on creating great high quality content. We were kept really busy with video editing of this style of content, whether it was social media, perhaps it was internal video messages, perhaps marketing videos and even training videos as well. We then add music, we add lower thirds, we even do a bit of color grading and create some really dynamic animations. So your team are going to love it, and also your clients as well. So as far as introducing a new video trend for 2021, we actually saw it was a necessity for last year, and that was the pre-recorded event videos. Pre-recorded events are those sort of higher end, the once-off events that you have in your business calendar. So perhaps it's the awards nights or a business conference, or perhaps it's a summit. Having a pre-recorded edited video just gives you that chance to edit down the content and just really make it nice and sharp and dynamic, but also add in more content, more people. So there's just so many possibilities and techniques that you can embrace to really make your pre-recorded event video stand out from the crowd. And on the flip side of pre-recorded event videos is, of course, live streamed events. Now, we saw a massive boom in this industry, and I know a lot of production companies suddenly pivoted and offered this as a service to their clients, and they've done some fantastic work. Look, pre-recorded elements and segments, they were definitely added into live stream longer events, and look, it just has so many advantages. Most of all, people think this is probably a more authentic way of delivering. While we can't do those in-person events, this is, I guess, almost the next best thing. So another trend I predicted last year that I want to bring across to this year is, of course, interactive video. Interactive video, I think it's a great platform. Again, check out Luma One, that'll give you some great ideas on what is possible. But yeah, interactive video is going to be the way to go for years ahead from now. So 2020 saw just how important video content is as far as business communications, and look, the importance and the reliance that we have on video content in 2021 is only going to be increased. So I'd like to wish you a fantastic year ahead, and while doing that, I'd like you to consider just how many benefits you could see by embracing video content within your business.